Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to make an emergency SOS call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So if you're in trouble and you want to make an emergency SOS phone call, then let me show you how you can do it quickly on your phone. So it's very easy and simple. You just need to go ahead and use this power or standby button here, and you should tap it 5 times. You need to do it quickly, as sometimes if you do it slowly, it won't work. So here, I'll go ahead and do it 5 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. This will now give you a 10-second countdown. And then it'll make a call to the emergency SOS. This will be to your police or your ambulance staff or even the fire services. So there you go guys, that is how to make an emergency SOS call on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.